Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Finder and configuring the view so you can work efficiently. First, open Finder from the dock or press Command Option space and type Finder. That gets you in instantly. Next, open Finder Preferences and enable useful sidebar items so devices and favorites appear. Also under General, choose which folder new Finder windows show. This saves time every session. Once done, make sure list or column view fits your workflow so you can scan files quickly and start organizing. Now you'll organize and find files efficiently. Switch between icon, list, column, and gallery views. Use Command 1, -2, -3 to see details that matter. Columns help trace folder paths. Use the search box and type filters like kind, PDF, or name, report, then click this Mac or current folder to narrow results. Apply tags to files for cross-folder grouping, and create smart folders for auto-updating collections based on search rules. Once these are in place, your files finish by using Finder's advanced tools and handling a common problem. Use Quick Look by selecting a file and pressing space to inspect content quickly, and enable the preview pane for metadata and tags. When moving or deleting files, check permissions via File Get Info and adjust sharing and permissions as needed. If Finder freezes or stops updating, relaunch it using Apple Menu Force Quit Finder Relaunch. That resolves most glitches. If problems persist, restart your Mac and verify disk health in Disk Utility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.